Good day, everyone. Today we have another beautiful transformation with the sump pit to more convenient and accessible. And you can see how our crew work. Nicely protect your property, everything with the plastic without any dust that comes into your house. Also, we double protect the floor because this case is the basement completely finished, and what we have to do is I can call surgery into the floor to change the pit and install nice and new pit with easy access to and more sump pumps to fit in. And as you can see, there is a result. If anybody needs help with the sump pump, please give us a call. Thank you.